What would I do if I had only my first $100 and wanted to become rich one day? Most people would spend it trying to look successful, new clothes, fancy food, random shopping. But rich people think differently. They ask, how can I use this money to make more money? And honestly, that one mindset shift changes everything. If I had only $100 today, I wouldn't waste it trying to impress people. I would use my first $100 to buy tools, courses, or resources that could help me earn my next $1,000. Here's exactly how I'd split it. $20 for AI tools or Canva Pro. $30 for an online course to learn a high-income skill. $20 for internet tools or software. And the last $30 to start creating content or freelancing online. Because the goal isn't to become rich from the $100. The goal is to use that money to build skills, income, and momentum. That's what most people don't understand. The internet gives people opportunities every single day. Content creation, freelancing, editing, digital products, social media, AI. But most people only use the internet for entertainment. Rich people use it as a tool. And the truth is, your first $100 matters less than the habits you build with it. Poor people spend money emotionally. Rich people spend money strategically. So if I only had $100 today, I wouldn't try to look rich. I'd use it to become valuable. Because once you become valuable, money starts chasing you. Subscribe for more videos about money, mindset, and building your life from zero.